Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today we're going to be exploring how to make an invitation with Canva. First things first, set up some sort of event, whether it be an actual party with real human friends, or some kind of even better party with your action figures. Optimus Prime will co-host, and I'll get to sit with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Head on over to canva.com, and you should land on this homepage. If it looks like this, however, then you simply need to make an account and then log in. Canva has heaps of stylish invitation templates to look through. We just need to find them. So normally I would click through all these options at the top, but I don't have time for that. I'm a very busy man. I can't leave Leonardo waiting. So I'll simply click up here in the Canva search bar and type in intervav. Then I'll delete that and type the word invitation much more carefully. Look at all the invitations. This must be what it feels like to be popular. I'll narrow it down a bit by clicking on these filters over here on the left. I want a landscape invitation, so let's go ahead and click on that. Lately I've been feeling this channel is very lowbrow and crass, so I'm going to class it up a bit. Class the crap out of it, in fact. I'll be hosting a rather elegant get-together for some intellectual luminaries. I think this template fits well with the whole vibe of classy as crap, so I'll just click on it and we're off and running. Look at that, as elegant as unicorn snot. The cool thing about Canva is everything you see on the page can be altered. See how that blue box appears around all the different elements on the invitation? That's what we click to change each individual piece of the page. For instance, this text reads, "You're invited for a pinner party?" Oh, dinner party. Well, that simply won't do. I click on the part of the text I want to change, and I'll change it to fart. You're invited for a fart party. Note that I've also got the option to change the font over here, and also the size and all the other fiddly little things as well. Now I don't know who Benjamin Shah is, but I bet he's not a great fart party host, so I'll just change that. I'll just quickly change the details down here. And 2019, I think that's it. That was everyone's favourite year. And leave it as Isabel. Now, I feel that these little decorations around the border aren't quite fitting the theme of the evening, so away with them. I just highlight them with a click and either press backspace on my keyboard or right click and select delete. This is the part where we really get to add some pizzazz to the whole thing. Over here near the top left of the page is the Elements tab. This is where we can find cool clip art or animations to add to our project. I'm going to look up something that I feel will tie together our whole theme. Oh my god, is that a butt potato? Potato! You better believe I'm adding that thing. And while we're here, I'll add this romantic little fella as well. If you want to make it so that Butt-tato over here is behind the frame that borders the invitation, then simply right-click on the starchy boy and select Move Backward. You're essentially pushing Butt-tato to the background behind the frame. Alternatively, you also have the option to play with the transparency of the element by selecting the transparency button up here. Now you see him, now you don't. Ooh, fart cloud! I need a fart cloud! It can come out of the F's butt. Now to add a touch of class to finish off our invitation, a glass of champagne. Ooh, the fart cloud can be knocking it over! That is just perfection. That's the real beauty of Canva. It inspires you and makes you use your imagination. So I think our invitation is ready to be printed and sent out to all the heads of state, literati and dignitaries that I can Google. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please like and subscribe. Every time you click like and subscribe, a rainbow gets its wings. Or something.